Let me share reasons kung bakit nagustuhan ni Mr. Client ang Rose Point Subdivision dito sa Santa Rosa City, Laguna. Number 1, naghahanap siya ng perfect home for their family na malapit ang schools dito sa Santa Rosa. And Rose Point is very near from Canosa School. Walking distance lang siya from Rose Point, and we also have Holy Rosary College na one ride lang sa trike. Number 2, accessibility. According sa AIF niya or Attorney Impact, is very accessible whether going to highway na malapit sa SM and Calax. Malapit rin ito sa New Sinai Hospital. Kung pupunta ka naman ng bayan, malapit din ito. Pinakamalapit na grocery store is Pure Gold Tagapo. Number 3, although pre-sale siya, mabilis ang turnover. After a year of paying down payment, turnover na rin at may enjoy na nila ang new home nila. Number 4, affordability. Sa lahat ng pinresent kong single attached, si Rose Point ang pinaka-affordable dito sa Santa Rosa na may complete turnover pa. Bonus pa na nagustuhan ni Mr. Client is ang luwag ng balcony with tempered glass na. Napaka-elegante according to Mr. Client. Share ko lang din na after reservation is nag-message sa atin si Mr. Client at ang sabi niya ay, "Maraming salamat Sir June for assisting us to finally secure our next property investment. Mula sa tripping hanggang sa after hours video calls para masagot lahat ng concern namin at masigurong tama ang information na makukuha namin tungkol sa property. Kahit na biglaan at malayo kami, naging sobrang smooth ng transaction. Salamat ulit sa honest and time at efficient na tulong. Mabuhay po kayo." If you wanna know more about Rose Point, send me a message on the contacts on the screen. This is Jun Yambao, your property consultant here at Rose Point Subdivision. God bless and bye-bye!